Before using your HONBIKE, we recommend to register it via the HONBIKE app. You can scan the QR code on the second page of the owner's manual or go to Apple Store or Google Play Store to download the app. Open the HONBIKE app. Press Register to create your HONBIKE account. Select your region and enter your email address. Enter the verification code we sent to the email address, and then set your password. Once you have successfully created your account, log in with your account. Now you can register your HONBIKE by pressing Owner Registration. Scan the frame number and validation code on the back of your owner's manual. Press and hold the power button on your HONBIKE until the display is on. Your HONBIKE will be connected to the app automatically. It usually takes 3 to 8 seconds, depending on the connectivity. When the Bluetooth and the lock icon on your app light up, you have successfully connected your HONBIKE to the app. The HONBIKE's electric system can be locked by tapping the lock icon on the HONBIKE app, or by pressing the power and minus buttons simultaneously on the bike for 5 seconds. And it can be unlocked only by the HONBIKE app.